Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be just showing you how I get my midweek moisturizer in. Let's get into it. So I'll be using my aloe vera juice and my hair growth oil. Now what I do, you can use this individually. You can use your aloe vera leave-in conditioner, or you can use your oil afterward, but I'm doing the mix. So for each use I have to shake it up. Now if your hair is in a style already like mine, don't worry, you can just mist it. Now this is a bit larger, you can make it smaller so it's more misty. That's a word. More misty. What you'll do, you don't want to disturb your style, so you can just pat on it just to get the moisture to absorb in. Now you still want to get some stimulation of the scalp, so you can just rotate the scalp. You don't have to do that. You can just rotate the scalp. Once you rotate the scalp, then you get that blood flow. Then you can go ahead with your plastic or shower cap, put it on and get some heat, generate some heat. Now you can do that overnight, leave it for the night, go to sleep, and you wake up with your hair well moisturized and penetrated, right, and sealed, because the oil is going to do the sealing as well as penetrating. But for me, I'll be taking this down and I'll be putting in my liquid and my oil. So I'll be taking this down. I want it to soak all the way through. Now if you missed it enough with a finer sprout, it will soak, it will get enough will get enough moisture, and make sure you want to get it on the scalp. You want to get it on the hair, but you want to get it on the scalp as well. So I've been rocking my hair like this for 2 weeks now. When I'm ready, I'm just gonna take it down from the style, washed it just like this, then detangle it and do it all over again and let that sit for a while. Now I'll be just taking some sections. So my hair is sparse, it's not thick, so it's easy for me to penetrate or get through. Okay, I need to turn this where the liquid can come out easy. Okay, it's just enough for my hair. You just need the right amount for one use. What I did, I actually got the leaf, cut it up, put it in my magic blender and pour it in the bottle. But you can make it and store it in the fridge All you have to do, you would have to warm it up. And apply it. You see, I'm almost done. Almost done. Want to make sure I get everything in. Almost done. Okay. Don't forget your scalp. I'm gonna put it in my hand like this because it's giving me trouble to come out the bottle. So I can able to massage my scalp with it. And I just do this, getting rid of everything. Leaving nothing. Okay, my hair fully saturated, and that's what you want. The butterfall. So I'm taking the last bit of it. Well, somewhere is in it. I love aloe vera juice. Well, I think my hair love it. And my oil blend, hair growth oil. Well, that one is for extreme growth. Rosemary ginger. Yeah, I'm loving it. Trying to get everything out of this bottle. Oh, it's being stubborn. Okay. Okay, there you go. Making sure I get everything in. Massage my scalp. I don't mind doing it like that on my hair. And that's it. I'm done. My hair is fully saturated. Now, my shower cap. So I went to get my shower cap. It's finished. So I'll be using old-fashioned plastic bag. So I'll just do like this. Stay right here. Yeah, I do that at times. I talk to things. I'm not crazy. So just do that. Put it in one. Fully saturated. Then I put on. My shower cap, the new version. Then my scarf. Remember to make sure when you tie your scarf, it's not on the edge, it's on your forehead. Make sure it's secure. This is how I do mine. Wrapped it around. And I'm set for bed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell for future updates. God bless. Bye.